If your AnyDesk connection is failing, freezing on the network screen, or refusing to connect altogether, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that solve the problem for most people. We'll cover the most common causes, including incorrect system time, firewall blocks, corrupted cache files, and VPN or proxy issues. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's start with the first and easiest fix, which is checking your system time and date. AnyDesk relies on your computer's clock to match global time servers, and if your time is even slightly off, it can block the connection. On Windows, go to the bottom right corner of your taskbar and right-click the clock. From the menu, click Adjust Date and Time. When the settings window opens, look for Set Time automatically and turn it on. This will let Windows sync your clock correctly. If needed, you can also manually check the time zone and make sure it matches your region. Once that's set, close the settings and try opening AnyDesk again to see if the connection issue is fixed. If that didn't solve it, the next thing to check is your firewall or antivirus software. These security tools are designed to protect your computer, but sometimes they can accidentally block AnyDesk from reaching the internet. To fix that, press the Windows key on your keyboard and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Open it, then look on the left side for Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click that option, then click Change Settings if it's available. Now scroll through the list and find AnyDesk. Make sure both the private and public boxes are ticked so Windows allows it through all network types. After that, click OK, close everything, and test AnyDesk again. Now let's move on to another very common cause, which is a damaged cache. If AnyDesk is stuck on a connecting to AnyDesk network message or keeps looping without loading properly, corrupted cache files may be the reason. First, completely close AnyDesk. Make sure it's not just minimized in the taskbar. If needed, open Task Manager and end the AnyDesk process there. Once it's fully closed, press Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog. In the box, type %appdata%, then press Enter. This will open the app data folder on your system. Inside, look for the AnyDesk folder and delete it. Don't worry, this is just clearing temporary data that may be causing the problem. After deleting the folder, reopen AnyDesk and let it rebuild fresh files. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the connection error. If AnyDesk still isn't connecting, the next step is to disable any VPN or proxy server you may be using. VPNs and proxy tools can interfere with how AnyDesk routes its traffic, especially if the network is restricted or if the server location is causing a conflict. If you have a VPN turned on, disconnect it completely and try the connection again. If you use a proxy, open your network settings and temporarily turn it off. Then relaunch AnyDesk and see if it connects normally. A lot of times, simply switching off the VPN is enough to restore access. So to quickly recap, if you're dealing with an AnyDesk connection error, start by syncing your system time, then allow AnyDesk through the firewall, clear the cache, and finally disable any VPN or proxy services. These steps cover the most common reasons AnyDesk fails to connect, and they usually solve the issue without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials and fixes. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.